You see this? This is the past. Let me introduce you to the future. This is Omigo, a new high-tech toilet seat, and it changes everything. Come with me. The first thing you'll notice is that the seat is warm when you sit down, and with customizable controls, you can set the temperature to your personal preference. You'll never go back to a cold seat again. And on top of that, Omigo has a carbon-filtered deodorizer that truly eliminates odor. And when you've taken care of business, Omigo washes you with warm water. Better than a shower, Omigo cleans you in all the right places. Temperature, pressure, width, location, all up to you. And don't reach for that terrible TP. Omigo dries you with a warm breeze of air. You've just gone through the dirtiest part of your day without touching anything, completely hands-free. Just take off your old no-tech toilet seat, mount your new high-tech Omigo seat, attach the water, plug it in, and she's ready to go. Omigo, the hands-free future of personal cleanliness.
Today I'm going to be showing an unboxing video of the Ivyel, the model GL3. So we're going to take a look at what's inside. So once you open the box, you'll see that the first thing you can see is this manual right here. This is an easy manual. What it is if you take it out, it's laminated so that it's waterproof. You can see it. You can put this on your bidet. There's a little plastic sticky that you could just put right here, and then you can stick it on to your wall, or you can stick it on to your bidet, and it pretty much explains all the functions and how the bidet works. So this is really neat right here. And then behind that, you can see the actual manual, the user's guide. This has all the neat information that you need to know about the bidet, what it comes with, all the installations, the safety instructions, the parts, how to use it. And then on the back as well, you can see more detailed information on maintenance and cleaning, and also some troubleshooting problems as well. So this is your easy access. So in order to take the bidet out, you just want to pull on this bottom part right here. Just pull this out, but make sure you don't throw it away because all your nice little parts are in here. Just open the flap, and this is where all of your parts and tools will be. So I'm just going to set this aside right here and continue to take out the bidet. All right, so this is the bidet. You just want to take the bag out that's covering your bidet. And you will see the nice bidet. Make sure you throw this away, and here's the electrical cord with its own wrapping as well. You just want to take that out once you're installing. And here's the bidet. Notice that there's a little sticker right here to make sure that the nozzle hasn't been used. So make sure that's there. And now as for the parts, now this is the plate that you're going to install on your toilet. Also comes with this hose right here. And it comes with 2 of these screws with its bolts and nuts as well. And then these 2 silver parts. Also, it comes with a T-valve right here in its own little bag. This is also required for the installation, so make sure you have this. Also, make sure that this plastic rubber, let me show you. This is purposely put in its own little bag because they don't want you to lose this black rubber, because it's very important for it to go in here during your installation. You need to have it or else it's going to start leaking. So make sure you have this. And then what's really nice is it also comes with a little spare black rubber. This is a black rubber that's a spare for, I believe, your hose. This is actually a tool that's very handy. It's actually used when you're trying to adjust, when you're trying to tighten and loosen this little button right here, this part, this white part, because sometimes it's hard to get our hands underneath the toilet and try to just do all of that. So it's more convenient to put the tool in, make sure you get a grip, and then just kind of like twist it this way. So there you have it. This is the unboxing of what's inside of the Ivyel GL3 model. You can see the installation videos in another video link that we have up. And if you have any further questions, please always make sure to refer back to this little user's guide that's very handy and explains how to install, and also it gives you all the troubleshooting as well. So that's it.
Bring the Advanced Toilet Seat, a superlative toilet seat with optimum cleansing technology at your fingertips. In this video, we're going to look at the cleansing features of the BB1000 Supreme Advanced Toilet Seat. The BB1000 comes with a built-in heater and motor, and requires only a simple cold water connection. With state-of-the-art aerated bubble technology, BB1000 supplies continuous warm water up to 1 full minute. The BB1000 is designed for the patented one-nozzle 3-port system, which has been shown to be more reliable and effective than the more standard 2-nozzle system. The nozzle is motor-driven instead of water pressure-driven, which allows for consistent movement, less defects, and higher efficiency. With hygiene always in mind, the nozzle is made with specially germ-resistant material. The nozzle tip can be easily removed and replaced whenever desired. This comes in very handy when you have guests who might be sharing the toilet, and makes replacing the nozzle on a regular basis incredibly easy and practical. The BB1000 has the advantage of a posterior wash and a feminine wash with self-cleaning feature. One of the most unique features of the BB1000 is its patented hygienic port, built right into the nozzle. This extraordinary port produces a swirling vortex-like stream of water, scientifically designed to create a helix movement. This remarkable whirling mass of water actually alleviates difficult bowel movements by providing a gentle enema action. This provides an all-natural and completely non-abrasive alternative to chemically produced and oftentimes addictive laxatives. With just the push of a button, the water temperature, water pressure, and nozzle position can be finely tuned to your preferred setting. The water can also be set to pulsate and oscillate. The pulsating function provides a massage feature that is especially effective in stimulating the rectum, which eases bowel movement. The oscillation function provides effective cleansing over a wide area. Both the pulsate and oscillate functions can be used simultaneously with any cleansing feature. The Supreme BB1000 Advanced Toilet Seat comes with the most advanced cleansing technology for optimal personal hygiene. Both experts and consumers alike consistently rank the Bidet BB1000 as one of the top-rated advanced toilet seats in its class.